What are you doing here today?
Skydiving.
Skydiving, that's crazy. Why would you do that?
Because we're dumb and we like to rush, I guess.
It's his 18th birthday and...
Oh, well, very good reason. So whose crazy idea was it?
Oh, I've always wanted to do this. Once after he did it his first time, I wanted to.
So he did it first and and you're doing it with him again?
Right.
Now who's more nervous?
Probably him.
Probably me. I wasn't nervous the first time, I'm nervous taking him.
The second time is actually a little bit scarier than the first time because you know what's going to happen.
Right.
Do you guys have any last words just in case? Oh, you ready?
Yep.
Well, keep on smiling and see you in the sky. Did you have fun?
Oh yeah.
Tell me all about it. Take those goggles off. What was the best bit?
Just flying.
Just flying.
Free falling out. Insane.
You're absolutely, yeah. So are you going to do this again? Well, happy birthday. Thanks for trying to get off India. Let's take a picture of the guy who just saved your life. There he is. Looking good, guys. And there's your dad. He was awesome. Right, let's take a picture with Sucker and Archie. Thank you, guys. Alright, guys, get together.